Continue with the AddNumbers project. First, let's open a project. Now click on the app, Java, and main activity.java file. This code is already available by default, and here we'll add few private variables. Now we have declared our variables and we will assign it to the IDs in the XML file. Number is text, find view by ID. For num2, now let's look at our XML file. In the res option, go to layout. Here you will find the activity main XML file. See that we have two edit text options where we'll add the two numbers, and click on the add button and we'll get the answer. So in the Java file also we will add on click listener. Okay. Now let's declare some more variables of type double. And we know that sum is equal to n1 plus n2. Now we will set the text. Now we are done with our code. We will run our app and see what happens. This will take some time. So here you have your app. Let's enter number 1 and number 2. So here you have the answer, which means your app is working successfully. If you want, you can even change the font size or the font style according to your wish. And that's it. You have created your first working app. Thank you.